Hi everybody. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate the mean and the standard deviation using a standard normal distribution. So we're told that y is distributed normally with a mean of mu y and a variance of 5 squared, or a standard deviation of 5. And we're told that the probability of y being greater than 23.4 is equal to 0.1. We've been asked to work out the value of mean for this distribution. So if we mark the mean on our diagram, and the probability that y is greater than 23.4 is 0.1, so that will be about here, when this has an area of 0.1. And if this is 0.1, then it means the area to the left must be 0.9, because 100% of the data is below this curve. So now we can use the standard normal distribution to work out the z value at this point, given this area of 0.9. So using the inverse normal, we know the area is 0.9. We know sigma for the standardized normal distribution is 1, and we know mu is equal to 0. And we can use this on a calculator. We go to menu, we want with distribution, option 7. We want inverse normal. We know the area is 0.9. Sigma and mu are 1 and 0. And this will give us a z value of 1.282. Now we can substitute this value for z into the transformation equation. Z will equal y minus mu y over sigma y. So substituting in our values, we've got 1.282 will equal 23.4 minus the mean over the standard deviation of 5. Then we can solve this equation. We'll move a 5 to the left-hand side. So we get 6.41 will equal 23.4 minus the mean. We'll move the mean to the left-hand side and the 6.41 to the right-hand side. So we get the mean will equal 16.99, approximately 17. Okay. For part B, we're told that S is distributed normally with a mean of 10 and then unknown variance. We're also told that the probability of S being less than 8 is equal to 0.4. So we can show this on our diagram. We've got a mean of 10, an S value of 8, with a probability of 0.4. So then we can use the standard normal to work out the Z value at this point. So at this point, the area will equal 0.4. We know sigma is 1 and mu is 0. So we can put this into our calculators. Inverse normal. We've got an area of 0.4. Sigma is 1, mu is 0. And this will give us a Z value of negative 0.253. Now we can substitute this into the transformation equation. So Z will equal S minus the mean divided by the standard deviation. We get negative 0.253 will equal the S value, which is 8, minus the mean divided by the standard deviation. We'll move the standard deviation to the left-hand side. And this will equal negative 2. So the standard deviation will be negative 2 over negative 0.253. We'll go back to menu, option 1, negative 2 divided by our answer, and we get 7.894. Okay.